Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap where we talk about all things crypto, Web 3.2 and blockchain. Before we take a look at the top news of the market, let's take a quick look at the global crypto market cap, which stood at 998 billion US dollar, noting a 0.02% increase over the last day. It's important to note that yesterday, which is October 26th, the global crypto market cap finally tested the crucial 1 trillion US dollar mark, which has played an important support resistance mark in the global crypto market cap's trajectory. That said, after charting decent gains and gaining over 7% on the weekly chart, Bitcoin's price is again stuck below the 21,000 US dollar mark. Bitcoin's price tested the 21,000 US dollar mark briefly. However, its price noted a slight pullback of 0.46% on the daily chart. Ethereum, on the other hand, is not stopping. In fact, Ethereum's price is up by a massive 20% in the last 1 week. Ethereum is still gaining on its short-term chart with 0.63% gains on an hourly as well as 0.33% gains on the daily chart. A look at the top altcoins suggested that BNB was up by 6.57% on the weekly. However, it had noted a decent resistance at the 288 mark, from where it was noting a 0.36% or 37% decline over the last day. XRP is noting minor gains. However, the 0.488 resistance continues to play for XRP price. Once XRP price is able to establish above that key resistance mark, we can expect more gains. But for now, XRP2 is stuck in a range-bound movement below the 0.5 US dollar mark. Cardano was one of the top gainers of the day yesterday. However, Cardano's price is noting a 0.5% pullback on the daily as ADA oscillates at the 0.4 US dollar mark. ADA is still massively down from its 3 US dollar all-time high made last year. The top gainer on the weekly as well as the daily chart was the star of the day, Dogecoin. Well, it comes as no surprise that as Elon Musk's Twitter acquisition came into play, Dogecoin's price started noting a decent uptick. In fact, Dogecoin is up by a massive 11.5% on the daily chart and a staggering 30% on the weekly. Even on the short-term price chart, that is the 1-hour chart, Dogecoin is noting decent uptick. A quick look at the top news of the day suggested that Vitalik Buterin, who is the founder of Ethereum, claimed that gold is in fact inconvenient. It is terribly inconvenient to use. He said that it is difficult to use, particularly when transacted with untrusted parties. Buterin also added that gold doesn't support safe storage options like multisig. At this point, gold has less adoption than crypto. These were a few reasons that Vitalik had for advocating crypto against gold. As Ethereum price continued to skyrocket, sentiment data suggested that an Ethereum whale wallet that had not been active for over 6 years was finally active on October 26th. This whale wallet moved around 2.2 million US dollar worth of Ethereum to an empty wallet. Ethereum's price was up by almost 8% after this transaction, briefly jumping above the 1500 US dollar mark, which has again acted as a critical support resistance mark for Ethereum's price trajectory. While gains and losses are a part of the market, adoption doesn't stop. Google Cloud recently announced that blockchain node engine is to start on Ethereum. A press release from Google highlighted that they are introducing blockchain node engine, which is a fully managed node hosting for Web3 development. They also said that Ethereum will be the first blockchain supported by the blockchain node engine, enabling developers to provision fully managed Ethereum nodes with secure blockchain access. That said, some of the top news of the day also included that Latin America saw over 40% growth in crypto adoption, which was largely fueled by remittances. Toncoin was one of the top gainers of the last week, gaining over 20% on 26th October. If you want to know more about what Toncoin is and why it gained in terms of price, head over to Voice of Crypto for more such updates. Moving back to the top gainers of the day, we can see that following Clayton, Dogecoin is the second best gainer in the market. And after that, we have Uniswap with over 5% daily gains, Cosmos with 5.56% daily gains, Loopring or LRC with over 2% gains, followed by Flow and Aptos. Aptos has been in the news for quite some time. In fact, Aptos was one of the most trending tokens on CoinMarketCap at the time of recording this video. Well, this is all in today's daily news wrap. I will see you soon with more such updates on the crypto market. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you love our content. And don't forget to hit that like button.